How to enable or disable the code page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Look at the bottom of the screen where you see the different workspace pages like Media, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Next, check if the code page icon is visible there. The code page icon looks like a razor blade. If you don't see it, you need to enable it from the Workspace menu. To do this, go to the Workspace option at the top of the screen, then select Show Page, and you will see a list of pages, including the code page. Simply check the box next to code page to enable it or uncheck it to disable it. After you make your selection, the code page icon will appear or disappear immediately from the Workspace bar at the bottom. You can now easily switch to or hide the code page depending on your editing workflow. This method lets you customize your workspace quickly without restarting the software. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the code page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.